For this video, we're going to be looking at the tools of FUSION360. The sketch tool is always located in the top left. It allows us to select a plane and start sketching from that plane. When sketching, we have access to the sketch menu, where we can draw simple shapes or different types of line. We can also use tools to trim away specific lines. When we select our shapes, we can draw shapes in different formats. So from 2 points of a rectangle or from the center point out. Even 3 points. Go up to the center point, 3 points. You can even create points of reference or text. Now the point of sketch tool is that we can design 2D. But what if we want to go 3D? We have the extrude tool. You use this 90% of the time. We can create material. We can remove material. So those two tools are vital in everything that we do. Then we have the modify tools, where we can manipulate existing 3D shapes or forms. So we've got the fillet tool. If you hover over a tool, it'll give you a brief description on how each tool works. We've got our sketches, so our 2D drawings. We've got our bodies, which are our 3D forms. All these are stored within each component. And the component is what holds all the information on your sketch.